Next, after this definition, we discussed few system calls in signal management. We created our own kill command. We created our own kill command. After that, we seen the pause system call, dry system call, signal system call, alarm system call. Right. So these are the basics. These are the system calls used in signal management. Okay. So I will give you one line about each system call, right? I will explain now. Like first, pause. This system call is used for, what is the purpose of pause? Is used for your process to, sorry, if you use, like once again, if you use pause system call in your function, in your process, what will happen means, whenever the compiler execute this pause function, your processor will go to sleep. The processor will go to the sleep, means making the processor into sleep. Okay. Sleep state. Okay. It will be in sleep state until if any signal is received. Okay. If any signal is received by this process, then it will enter into ready state after the run state. Okay. Next, rise system call. Rise system call is used for sending a signal to itself. Right? Sending a signal to itself. Rise system call and signal system call. This is very important. Signal system call, what is the purpose? Signal system call purpose is to change the action. To change the action of signal. To change the action of signal. We already discussed and we seen the so many examples on these things. Please revise. Next, alarm. Alarm signal call is used to set an alarm for delivering a signal. Okay. Alarm is used to set an alarm for delivering a signal. In the last class, we discussed on this alarm, and we seen so many situations how to handle alarm signal. These are the important system calls in signal management.
Love our content? Hit subscribe for more awesome videos. We'll see you in the next one.